On Aimsir Laithreach, the present tense. Dúshaíonn mé ar thugta clog gach lá. I wake up at 8 o'clock every day. Osclaíonn mé mo thuaidh gach lá. I open my eyes every day. I rian mé as an labba gach lá. I get up out of the bed every day. Cuireann mé méadaí orm gach lá. I put my clothes on me every day. Ceanglíonn mé mo bhróga gach lá. I tie my shoes every day. Níonn mé maig agus mo lámha gach lá. I wash my face and my hands every day. Trímíonn mé féin gach lá. I dry myself every day. Ciarann mé mo ghrúig gach lá. I comb my hair every day. Téann mé go dtí an chisteann gach lá. I go to the kitchen every day. Síonn mé ag an mór gach lá. I sit at the table every day. Itheann mé mo bhricfásta gach lá. I eat my breakfast every day. Ólann mé té gach lá. I drink tea every day. Éisteann mé leis an radio gach lá. I listen to the radio every day. Fáinne mé mo bhála scoile gach lá. I get my school bag every day. Fágann mé mo theach gach lá. I leave my house every day. Rothaíonn mé ar scoil gach lá. I cycle to school every day. Shrúcann mé an scoil ag an 9 gach lá. I arrive at the school at 9 every day. Bualann mé le mo chairde gach lá. I meet with my friends every day. Cluiseann mé an clog gach lá. I hear the bell every day. Siúlann mé isteach sa rang gach lá. I walk into the classroom every day. Deir mé mo fadracha gach lá. I say my prayers every day. Scríbann mé I mo chóplabhar gach lá. I write in my copybook every day. Féacann mé ar an gláirbán gach lá. I look at the whiteboard every day. Imríonn mé pell ag am lón gach lá. I play football at lunchtime every day. Fillann mé ar an rang an sin gach lá. I return to the class then every day. Tógann mé síos an obair bhaile gach lá. I take down the homework every day. Tagann mé a bhaile ag a trí gach lá. I come home at 3 every day. Déanann mé mobair bhaile gach lá. I do my homework every day. Cabhraíonn mé le maithair sa gardaín gach lá. I help my dad in the garden every day. Berann mé ar mo sleath iascaireacht gach lá. I grab my fishing rod every day. Imíonn mé ag iascaireacht gach lá. I go off fishing every day. Féacann mé ar áilleacht an dúlra gach lá. I see the beauty of the countryside every day. Tugann mé bia don bhadra gach lá. I give food to the dog every day. Féacann mé ar an telefís gach lá. I watch the telly every day. Léann mé mo leabhar nua gach lá. I read my new book every day. Bíonn mé tuirseach gach lá. I do be tired every day. Cudlíonn mé go sábh gach lá. I sleep soundly every day.